Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Esquina developed by Prabhakar Kunte with construction partner MS Realty located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right opposite to the actual tower. Behind me, you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acre that will have one tower off ground plus 19 story, having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now talking about location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Link Road near to Infinity Mall beside Lotus Petrol Pump, Andheri West, from where Lower Oshiwara metro station is at a distance of 1 minute, upcoming metro is at a distance of 1 minute, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1115 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1285 to 1305 square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Esquina developed by Prabhakar Kunte with construction partner MS Realty located in Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.